How to use the Nihongo verb conjugation verb plus nasai? Let's find out. For our English explanation, so this pattern or conjugation minasang expresses an order or instruction. So you are telling someone or the person you are talking to do this thing or this action. It's almost same with N5 pattern te kudasai. This pattern is less more formal compared to te kudasai. So here, we just need to remove the mas of the mas from verbs, then add nasai. So the word shimas or will do, remove mas, then add nasai will be shinasai. And the new meaning will be do it. So it is more used when we are giving instruction to someone maybe lower than our level. So in order for us to understand it more, let's give an example. Hayaku gohan tabenasai. Or in English, it could be eat your meal quickly, or hurry up and eat your meal. So that example, we're giving instruction on order to someone to eat his or her meal quickly. Another example, abunai kara kochi ni kinasai. Or in English, come over here because it's dangerous. So again, this example, we are giving an order to someone we're talking to come over here because on that place is a little bit dangerous. Our Taglish explanation. So yung conjugation ng verb na to minasang is ginagamit kapag gusto natin magbigay ng instruction, no, or order sa isang tao o sa kausap natin. So maaari natin siyang ihalintulad sa N5 verb conjugation na te kudasai, pero mas less formal siya kasi dito is hindi naman tayo nakikiusap, but instead tayo nagbibigay ng instruction. So sa paggamit ito, para sa mas form verbs, tinatanggal lang natin yung mas, then ina-add natin yung nasai. Kaya naman yung tabemas or will eat, tanggal natin yung mas, dagdag natin yung nasai, or magiging tabenasai, siya ay eat. So para sumitin na natin, bigay tayong example. Tsugi no peiji o akenasai. Or sa English, ay maaari siyang maging open the next page. So dito, diba, nagbibigay tayo ng instruction o ng utos dun sa kausap natin na gawin yung bagay, ano ba yung pinagawa natin, yung buksan niya sa susunod na pahina. So, for example, abunay kara kochi ni kinasai. So dito, binibigyan natin ng instruction o ng inuutosan natin yung kausap natin na pumunta dito sa area natin kasi nga maaaring doon sa area niya is dangerous or abunay, no? May maaaring masamang mangyari doon. So yun, once again, yung conjugation ng verb na to is ginagamit para magbigay ng instruction or order sa taong kausap natin. Follow for more!